Imagine your AI app takes 5 seconds to show any response at all. LLMs generate text one token at a time, roughly one word or subword per step. Without streaming, the API buffers the full response before returning anything. With streaming, each token is sent to your client as soon as it's generated, so your app receives the output piece by piece rather than all at once. This dramatically improves perceived latency. Users see text start appearing almost immediately rather than waiting for a full response. Total generation time doesn't change, but first token latency, the time to see anything, drops to milliseconds. On the client, you handle these incremental updates via server-sent events. SSE, the server pushes events prefixed with data colon, and your client reads each chunk as it arrives. With most LLM SDKs, you iterate over the stream and extract the delta from each chunk, appending it to your output buffer as the response builds. One gotcha. Individual chunks are incomplete, so you can't pass JSON midstream. Buffer the full stream and only pass once the terminal event arrives. Most APIs signal completion with a done marker, like data colon done. So always listen for it before finalizing your output. Streaming sends tokens immediately. SSE handles delivery on the client, and always buffer before passing structured output. Follow for more AI engineering prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.